How to convert crypto instantly on Gemini. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the middle button denoted by two arrows to access the trading options. From here, select the convert option. This feature allows you to instantly swap one cryptocurrency for another, such as converting Bitcoin to Ethereum, USDT, or any supported crypto pair. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to convert from and the cryptocurrency you want to convert to. Enter the amount in your currency or crypto units. The app will show you the estimated conversion amount and fees. Review all details carefully, and once you are satisfied, tap Convert to complete the instant swap. The converted crypto will appear in your Gemini wallet immediately. You can track your conversion history in the Activity tab, including completed transactions and amounts. Gemini's Convert feature makes trading between crypto assets fast, simple, and convenient for both beginners and experienced users. Now you know how to convert crypto instantly on Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.